Ms. Snyder. My name is Jenna Stearns. I am the speech language pathologist at the school. Thank you for meeting with me today about Michaela. What are concerns or questions you have relating to what the teacher has reached out to you about?
So pretty much she has shown some difficulty with her receptive and expressive language, and it's very particular when she's working by herself.
Okay. Can you give me an example of maybe in school when she's had trouble with this on an assignment or a worksheet?
Yep, so when she's working on an individual assignment, it has to do with grouping stuff together, more specific grouping words together, and then also like answering why they're grouped together. She's having difficulty with that and she gets very distracted as well.
Okay, great. Well, if you don't mind, I'm going to do a couple activities with Michaela to kind of get a gauge at where she's at, and then we can discuss further steps.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Be good.
Hi, Michaela. My name is Mrs. Stearns. We are just going to have some time together and do a few different activities. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take a look at my pictures. So this is a shopping cart. Do you know what a shopping cart is used for?
No.
No. So when mom or dad goes to the grocery store, they put whatever they need into a shopping cart. So our activity today is you are going to look at all of these different pictures and you are going to place food items into the shopping cart, okay? So food items can be things that you eat. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna place them into the shopping cart.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, great job. So let's look at what you have in your shopping cart. So we said we are looking for food items. So first you put fruit, great job. And then you put peppers, which are vegetables, which you can eat. And then you put down toilet paper. That's not a food item, but you can still get it at the store. You put down socks. Not a food item, but you can still buy it at the store. Carrots, which is a food item. Toothpaste, it's not a food item, but you can still buy it. And then a CD, which is not a food item, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to explain a little bit of what we are trying to do here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, do you see this worksheet? All the different pictures?
Yes.
So, we are going to focus on this picture, two children by a fire. Do you see what I'm pointing at? Yes. Okay. So, it looks like the children are roasting marshmallows. There's two marshmallows and they're on sticks. It looks like they are roasting them over a fire. Do you see the fire that I'm pointing at?
Right here.
Yes. And do you see the wood underneath it? Yes, good job. So all of those elements go with roasting a marshmallow. And that fits under the category of making a s'more. So it's important that we group things together because when we are talking about certain things, we have to know that one word or two words may fit under something specific. Now, can you look at this picture one more time for me? All of these things fit under the big group of making a s'more. Now, we are going to look at this picture next. This picture shows a girl getting things out of a refrigerator. A refrigerator is used to keep things cold. Now, ice cream is kept cold. fruits can be kept cold, but a granola bar, we wouldn't maybe keep that in the refrigerator, so it would not fit. Right, good job. Okay. Classifications and groupings are important because they help us organize and understand information. It helps us organize our thoughts, and we put things together based on their groups and categories. So, for example, I like your fidgets. Now, these can be grouped together for things that can help you feel a little bit more calm. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, does the fidget help you feel calm?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So, in class, if you were talking about the rainbow, you know what the rainbow is with lots of colors?
Colors.
Yes. It's important to know which colors fit in the rainbow. Okay, so it's important to know that all words fit underneath the category. Now, can you tell me what we learned and why it's important?
The rainbow. And there's different colors.
Yes, that is right. So we have a rainbow and it's full of different colors, and each of those colors fit into the category under a rainbow.
Yeah.
Now, it's also important to know that in class, if you're doing a worksheet and it asks you to put certain words under a category, it's important to know where they fall under. Okay, so now we're going to have you try another activity one more time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So it's similar to the first one that we did, but now we have different picture cards. Okay, so our category that we're going to focus on are animals. Can you point to the animals for me?
Oink, oink.
Great job. A tomato. Okay, good work. Keep working. A flower. A bunny. Great job. Is that all the animals that you see?
This one.
A domino. Okay, great job. So we actually have a few more animals in here. We have the pig, the bunny, the dog, the horse, and the panda bear. But that's okay because we will work together to understand that certain words go under certain categories. Okay. Do you have any questions for me, Michaela?
No.
No? Okay. So now we're going to have Mom come back in here and I'm going to talk to her for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Mom. So Michaela and I did a few different activities. The first activity was kind of like a pre-test. I kind of wanted to see where she was at with grouping certain categories. So what we did, we had this shopping cart and I provided her with these picture cards and I asked her to group together all of the food to put it in the cart. She only got a few food items correct, so I knew that was kind of like our baseline. And then after she was done, I tried to almost teach her a little bit more about it. So we looked at this picture of children roasting s'mores.
Okay.
And we broke it down into marshmallows, sticks, fire, and wood. And it all fit underneath the category of roasting a s'more. And then we looked at the refrigerator, which keep things cold. And we took a look and we said that ice cream can be kept cold, different fruits. And I tried to explain to her that those different elements fit under cold foods. So after I explained it to her, I referenced why it's important, because when we talk about things, it's important to know that they fit under a bigger group or category overall. A class example I said was the rainbow. The rainbow has certain colors, and if in class she needs to know which colors fit under a rainbow, she has to remember that those are all grouped under the rainbow. So then she explained her learning. It seemed like she understood that rainbows have colors, which is a great first step. Just a little bit more work I'd like to do with her. And then we did a different activity, which was sort of a post-test. I showed her all of these different picture cards. Majority were of animals, a couple other objects like a domino or a flower. And I asked her to point to all of the animals. She got a few of them correct, but majority she got incorrect, which is okay because this is just a baseline. I would like to have her come back and run a formal assessment with her to see if she qualifies for services. Do you have any questions for me in regards to any of this?
No, thank
No?
you so much.
You're welcome, and I'm really happy that the teacher reached out to both of us and that your concerns were brought here, and now we have a great baseline, and now we know kind of the direction Michaela needs to go. Thank you.
Thank you, I
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Of course.